Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What's your name?
Actually, my full name is Abu Bakr Siddiq Nadim, but you may address me Nadim because it is my nickname.
Okay. Who named your name?
Sir, my mother named my name.
Okay. How old are you?
Sir, I am now 16.
You're now 16. Which country do you like the most?
Like most, my own country because it's my motherland, and also I born and brought up here. So that's why I like most this country.
Do you have any plan to live in another country?
Yes, sir, I have a plan to leave another country for just education purpose and grow my future. But after finishing my study, higher education, then I will come back my country again.
Okay. What do you want to do for your country?
So I want to bring remittance because there are a lot of remittance fighter stay a lot of country and they provide remittance for growing up our country. There's my father also an immigrant, and when I go abroad for education, also I will work and I will provide remittance for our country.
Okay. Thank you very much for your thought. Well, in which country does your father live?
Sir, my father lives in Canada now.
Canada.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How long has he been living in Canada?
Sir, he has been living in Canada for 2 years.
Is this the first country for him?
No, sir, it is not first country. He lived
Mhm.
Singapore almost 11 years ago. And after 11 years later, he will go Canada for our future.
Do you like taking exercise?
I liked more to exercise, but now I don't have enough time to take exercise. That's why I'm not doing exercise now. But after going my home, I will continue again.
Okay. What is the most common form of exercise in your country?
So it is maybe playing football or cricket. And there are a lot of people, they used to take exercise through playing football, playing cricket. And we also play cricket and football. And this way I take exercise.
Do the most people of your country take exercise to stay fit?
So maybe not. There are a lot of people, they take exercise to stay fit. Those lives in city. But those lives in village, they take exercise for fun. They don't know about exercise. They playing, they exercise, but they don't know about it.
Okay. And what do you do to stay healthy?
So usually I wake up early in the morning, and after waking up, I drink water, 1 glass or 2 glass. I do stay healthy for it.
Okay. Mr. Abu Bakr Siddiq Nadim, what's your opinion about Rahat's English Care?
In my opinion, sir, the Rahat English Care, for me, best English
Learning
learning
Center.
center for speaking, for LTS also, and it also will open PTA. Maybe it will be good, I think that. And my journey was splendid with Rahat English Care. Before coming here, I just thought maybe it's not possible to learn English for me. But after coming here, day by day, I realized I am learning. I am learning something, and I'm able to learn English. I can do it. So it's just possible for Rahat English Care. So I would like to thanks for all of teacher and all of.
Okay. This is the end of your speaking test, Mr. Abu Bakr Siddiq Nadim. Wishing you all the very, very best for your future.
Thank you, sir.